This is the living room where all the conversation starts and it's the heart of the house. Here, the client wanted the space to be really cozy. So, we have separated the space by giving the breathing space and a lot of partitions and dividers. Now, here we have created very cozy couch. The client can lounge in and watch the TV. The paneling, what you see, is done with paper veneer and veneer, which has given nice fluting over here, and then this is a custom art piece done by our artisan. The center table you see is also customized on site, and it is done in beige color, white color Patagonia quartzite. The same Patagonia is used on the back paneling of the TV wall. The TV wall is given very soft curve, as you see here. We didn't wanted something which is very heavy, because the ceiling height what we were getting was very less, and she wanted to use the maximum height of the ceiling. So we have given with something which is very soft on this side, and so thus this kind of very organic TV wall came to design. The texture what you see here is nice stucco what we have done against the Patagonia, and the veneer unit what we have taken. The rug what you see is a custom rug, and this nice sage green kind of couches holds everything together and make it really cozy. Here what we have created is a nice divider which divides two doors of the bedrooms. One is a master bedroom and one is a parents bedroom over here, and this partition came into discussion because we wanted some element of a quirk, a bold element. So we have done this partition in HDMR, and we have given different PU tones to it with metal legs, which are similar on both the sides of the partition. Here what you see, this is a central piece. When you enter, this is the direct vision what you get. So we have created a very nice console here in a forest green tone, which goes with the whole neutral floor, and a very nice monochromatic art which is also a custom piece in texture. And now let's go to one of the bedrooms, which is the parents bedroom. We wanted all the doors to be flush door, but we didn't wanted to do texture on it. So this is the PU tone what we have done, which continues to the wall. So this is the parents bedroom here. This is very cozy, very minimalistic bedroom what they wanted. Looking toward the back paneling of the bed, this is a flush door for the bathroom, and it's a veneer paneling. This is a fabric paneling what we have done to give the texture to the whole space, and those are the PU wardrobes what we have done in PU with nice black powder coated metal handles given to it. Entering to the last but not the least master bedroom, the client wanted it to be very minimalistic, and we wanted to have the whole idea of the concept of the whole house coming inside and coming together, layering of different textured fabrics to green stone to amazing dyed veneers and the metal powder coated for the shelvings. So the whole concept was having lot of storages as the client wanted. We have given this black profile shutter here in the center for the bags and the purses what they had. The mirror what we have taken here on the back side of the wall, it is basically used to increase the volume of the room, because when you are here you feel the room is endless and it's double the size. So the whole concept was that. And now you see how the wall has nice grooving and fluting pattern, which flushes the toilet door, and it's invisible door there. So from the mirror you see lot of putty details what we have given here, and the bathroom door gets flush inside this. They also have a dressing inside. So the whole thing was they wanted a very nice reading nook here. So we have customized this very nice comfy sofa lounge here. They wanted a nice sleek dressing to get ready. This is customized track light for the getting ready purpose, and very sleek dressing what we have created here. So the back panel what you see for the bed is done in leatherite fabric with the jute fabric which goes alongside on the bed. So all the beds on the side along with the side tables has been done on site and customized here. The side table detail is also very nice. It has a pop of same green marble on the top along with the veneer going on the bottom. The very different detail what we did here was leatherite shutters. So we customize these letterized shutters on site, and they have this veneer and wood handle detail and very nice stitching detail. The hem what you see here gives a very chic and modern feel to the wardrobes. So which was your favorite room in this minimalistic home? Also, if you want to design your dream home, do comment us below or contact us on the email ID link with the YouTube channel. Thank you so much. See you next time.